Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got another package in the mail, which means I've got another unboxing to do. Been trying to get away from doing so many unboxings, been putting out a couple educational videos lately. Got a lot of good information to share, just trying to get some time to put it all together. But this is something I've been collecting for a while, trying to get to a certain milestone, and I believe I have done that. And so I thought I'd do an unboxing, show you what I have. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I did cut it open already because I didn't want to, spend time wrestling with my knife trying to get open, but I have not looked inside it yet. I don't know what's in there. All I can see on the edge here is some paper. Let's go ahead and pull the paper out. Feels pretty heavy. I don't think it was that. Paper shouldn't be that heavy. Oop. Here we go. Got this. And we got something else in there with it. So I guess I still got to know. Cool, it's got one of the little pull tabs on there. Let's pull this thing open. Love those little pull tabs. Helps out so much from trying to cut these things with scissors. Open it up. Take it. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look. Come tumbling down. There they go. Oh, yeah, look at those. Alright. Got some more Yeager poured silver 100-gram bars. Alright. I was wondering what the numbers would be. I thought they might be up into the 4 digits by now, but they are not. So that tells me not a ton of people are buying them right now. Well, with so many choices out there, so many bullion dealers, so many auctions going on, probably not that surprising, and I guess, for Yeager, it's probably not their most popular product either. I don't know how many people are out buying the 100-gram bars. Apparently not a ton, right? So, but yeah, I got a kick out of chunky, little loafy looking things. Let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. And the camera right picks up on that dust, doesn't it? Let's put them all together here. Ooh, 4 of them, huh? For 12 ounces of silver. So there's 960. There is 959. There is 958. And there is 950, what? 6. Oh man, 56 to 58 to 59 to 60. Ah, they missed 57. Oh well, serial numbers don't matter, right? What matters is 3.2 ounces each of pure fine silver. 999. All right. So as most of you know, I've been trying to collect a Fractional Kilo Bar, which means it would take 10 of these to make 1 kilo. Whoop. Also, I made a little mistake when I ordered these. I almost never order with a credit card or debit card. Actually, I used PayPal, and I don't know, I was just distracted, and usually I order these and mail them off a check and wait several weeks. 2 or 3 weeks anyway, and it's okay with me because it affects your price, right? I just ordered these, and I don't know why I was thinking they had a PayPal button on there. I clicked it, paid, and it came back, and I was like, oh man, why did I use PayPal? But oh well, not a huge deal. I just like to keep my cost as cheap as possible. Let's see if you remember that I also bought 3 other ones, and these serial numbers are 921, 922, and 923. Okay, so let's put those down here for a minute. And let's not forget something else. Might have to zoom back out for this one. I also bought some other ones. What are these? 912, 911, 910. So what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Got my fractional kilo of silver bars for the first time ever. First time I've put together a collection like that. Oh man, is that cool or what? So let's stack them up here. Let's get the cool factor going. Oh man, look at that. A stack of 10 bars. How cool is that? You know what? I'm going to have to show it from the side. Oh, look at that. There we go. Is that cool or what? A stack of Yeager poured silver loaves. Oh man, that's so cool. So what do you think? Is that awesome or what? Oh man, I think it's really, really cool. Love having a fractional kilo. I just think that's such a cool idea. Now I paid a little more for it than just buying a kilo bar. But I don't want bars as big as a kilo. I just think that, number one, they're hard to sell if you need to sell them. And number two, people can question whether or not they've got something in the middle of them. They're big enough to be questionable. Now they're not, 100 ounces or anything like that of kilos. A little over 32 ounces. But still, if somebody wanted to verify their purchase, they can say, hey, unless you drill into this and test what's in the middle, I'm not buying it. Could they say the same thing for one of these little chunk bars? Yeah, they could. But it's unlikely, right? Somebody's going to take the time to fake something this small. And some of these verifiers can, I think the Sigma Pro would probably be able to take a better look at it. Even though it is a poured bar. So it wouldn't have the dimensions that you could check on it. But yeah, I think that this is pretty cool for sure. All right. 10 100-gram bars. All right, so let me put my phone back on and we'll finish out here. All right, so we are back. What do you think, huh? Is that not a cool idea or what? So have more invested in it than just buying a kilo straight up. And I've seen some good deals on kilo bars over the past few weeks. Just something I think really cool about these 100-gram bars that will be easier to sell if necessary, and nice to stack. And honestly, they probably don't take up a whole lot more room than if you were to put this together. And not taking up a whole lot more room than a regular kilo bar, right? As far as it's not like ordering us, graded silver, graded gold, where you got the case taking up all the room instead of, just the coin itself. So this really isn't taking up any more room than a regular kilo bar. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I'm real excited about having a kilo of Yeager's poured silver bars. And I think it's really, really cool. But, others may say, hey, I would rather take that little bit extra money and buy some more, stack some more stuff. And, 99% of the time that's my attitude too. But I just thought some fractional bars would be good. And also what kind of turned me on the bars is that with this shortage in high premiums lately, bars have been out of stock. If you went to many coin stores and asked them for bars, they were like, we have no bars. So I thought it might be good to buy a few bars to have for the stack, you know, just in case. All right, thanks for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.